Hello, good morning students. Welcome to my channel. Today in this class we are going to do exercise A given on page number 124 of chapter The Awakening. ये exercise direct indirect speech के बारे में है. Students, इसको समझने के लिए मैंने एक वीडियो का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में शेयर किया है जिसमें पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट आपको क्लियर किया गया है कि डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच होती क्या है, इसमें रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब क्या है, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच क्या है और टेंसेस कैसे चेंज होते हैं, मॉडल वर्ब्स कैसे चेंज होते हैं, प्रोनाउंस कैसे चेंज होते हैं और साथ ही साथ एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम एंड प्लेस कैसे चेंज होते हैं. सो प्लीज वॉच दोज वीडियोज ऑफ डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच बिफोर डूइंग दिस एक्सरसाइज to clear the concept. Now let's do this exercise. This is direct speech. You have to change it into indirect speech. Jyoti explained, I am writing a letter. Now am writing, ये कौन सा tense है? This is present continuous tense. Now once again I'll explain you this. Explained, this is reporting verb और जो inverted comma में है ये क्या है? Reported speech. Now let's do it. Jyoti explained. अब यहां पर इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को रिमूव करेंगे और कंजंक्शन दैट लगाएंगे. दैट आई क्या है? फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन है जो चेंज होगा सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग. ज्योति गर्ल है तो हमारा इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में ये हो जाएगा शी. ज्योति एक्सप्लेन दैट शी. एम राइटिंग का हो जाएगा वॉज राइटिंग, पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. वॉज राइटिंग अ लेटर. Jyoti explained that she was writing a letter. Now next sentence. Priyash complained, Rohit pushed me while we were playing football. Now here pushed me, this is simple past tense. Simple past tense change हो जाता है past perfect tense में. तो अब आपका indirect speech क्या होगा? Priyash complained अगेन इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को रिमूव करेंगे, दैट लगाएंगे. दैट रोहित, रोहित क्या है? नाउन है तो नाउन में कोई चेंज नहीं होता. दैट रोहित पुश्ड मी का हो जाएगा हैड. पुश्ड मी क्या है? फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन है जो चेंज होगा सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग. तो यहां पर सब्जेक्ट है प्रियांश. दैट रोहित हैड पुश्ड, इसका क्या हो जाएगा? हिम. वाइल वी वर, वी का हो जाएगा दे पुश्ड हिम वाइल दे वर प्लेइंग football. Third sentence. She exclaimed, this book is wonderful. This is simple present tense. It will be changed into simple past tense. Your indirect speech will be she exclaimed, inverted commas remove, that the book इसका हो जाएगा was wonderful. Next sentence. The doctor announced, I'll be going for a conference tomorrow. Now I'll be going, this is future continuous tense. तो यहां पर आपके मॉडल वर्ब्स क्या है? I will, will का चेंज क्या हो जाएगा? would में हो जाएगा चेंज और tomorrow चेंज हो जाएगा द नेक्स्ट डे या द फॉलोइंग डे. सो योर इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच विल बी द डॉक्टर अनाउंस्ड, इन्वर्टेड कॉमास रिमूव, एड कंजंक्शन दैट. दैट नाउ आई फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन है जो चेंज होगा सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग. दैट आई का हो जाएगा ही. विल का हो जाएगा वुड, दैट ही वुड बी गोइंग फॉर अ conference tomorrow will be changed to the next day. So your indirect speech will be, the doctor announced that he would be going for a conference the next day. Next, Maya said, I have won the match. Now your indirect speech will be, Maya said that. Now here this sentence is in present perfect tense. Present perfect tense will be changed to past perfect tense, and your indirect speech will be, Maya said that. I first person pronoun will be changed according to the subject. Maya is a girl. Maya said that. She have का हो जाएगा had. She had won the match. Full stop. Next, Pratik declared, I am going to the fair on Sunday. Now, I am going, present continuous tense will be changed to past continuous tense, and your indirect speech will be, Pratik declared that. I will be changed to he according to the subject, that he past continuous में change हो जाएगा, he was going to the fair on Sunday. Next sentence, Manik said, I bought a pen yesterday. Now I bought a pen. This shows that this sentence is in simple past tense. Simple past tense will be changed to past perfect tense. Now your indirect speech will be, Manik said that. I will be changed to he. He bought. He had bought. Past perfect tense. He had bought a pen. Yesterday will be changed to the day before. Next, I love mangoes, exclaimed Venkat. Now your indirect speech will be, Venkat exclaimed that he loved mangoes. Next exercise given on page number 125, exercise B. Correct the errors in the reported speech in these sentences. यहाँ पर आपको डायरेक्ट भी दिया है और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच भी दी हुई है, लेकिन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कुछ एरर्स हैं, आपको वो आइडेंटिफाई करनी है और उन्हें ठीक करना है. लेट्स डू इट. डायरेक्ट स्पीच है, शी सेड आई एम लर्निंग फ्रेंच दीज डेज. आई एम लर्निंग फ्रेंच, दिस इज प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. इट मीन्स इनडायरेक्ट करते समय हम इसको चेंज करेंगे पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में, लेकिन ये क्या है, ये फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस है, तो ये एरर है. आइए इसको ठीक करते हैं. शी सेड दैट, शी विल बी का क्या हो जाएगा, विल बी चेंज हो जाएगा. शी वॉज लर्निंग फ्रेंच दीज डेज विल बी चेंज्ड टू those days. Next sentence, my name is Lynn, he said. Now indirect is he said that his name had been Lynn. ये past perfect continuous tense में है, जबकि my name is Lynn, this is truth, उसका नाम Lynn है. He said that his name, so your indirect will be is Lynn, because कल भी उसका नाम Lynn था और आज भी उसका नाम Lynn है. Next sentence, We will work on this project together, said Mary. Now indirect is Mary said that we have been working on the project together. This is wrong. Now what is error? See this, we will work on this project. This is future tense and will be changed to would in indirect speech. So your sentence will be Mary said that they. Now will be changed to would. That they would work. Have been working will be changed to they would work on. This will be changed to that project together. So your indirect speech will be Mary said that they would work on that project together. Now next sentence. I visit my parents in China very often, said Lynn to Mary. Now here object is also there, so your sentence will be Lynn said Mary. Now here in indirect speech, said will be changed to told. Lynn told Mary that I will be changed to she. That she visit. Simple present changed to simple past. She visited my parents, her parents. That she visited her parents in China. Now to will not be there. Very often. So your indirect speech will be Lynn told Mary that she visited her parents in China very often. Now next, the sunrise is so beautiful! Exclamation mark, exclaimed Mithi. Now indirect speech given in the book is Mithi told that the sunrise is so beautiful. So what is error here? Mithi exclaimed. So told will not come here because subject is only there, object is not there. So here cut this and write exclaimed. Mithi exclaimed that the sunrise was so beautiful. Next sentence. Rohit said to Rakesh, I am sure you can do this easy task. Now indirect given in the book is Rohit said to Rakesh that she has done this easy task. Now what is error here? Let's find out. Rohit said to Rakesh. Now here subject and object both are given. So said to will be changed to told. So cut this. Rohit told Rakesh that. Now she will not come. He am will be changed to was. He was sure. He now can will be changed to could. He could do. Now this will be changed to that. That easy task. So indirect speech will be Rohit told Rakesh that he was sure he could do that easy task. Next we are going to do true false given on page number 121 under reading comprehension section. Now exercise is write T for true and F for false for these sentences. First one. Param did not use his axe very often. This is false. Second. Param cut trees which were deep in the forest. True. Third one. Anand tried to reason with Param. Yes, this is true. Fourth one. Param asked the sage to bless him. This is also true. Fifth one. The sage asked Param not to change his ways. This is false. He asked him to change his ways. Sixth one. Param was sick with stomach cramps. This is false. Next one. The doctor told Param to drink milk and not talk too much. This is true. Next. Param had cut down the trees from which his medicine was made. This is also true. So that's all for today, students. In next video, we will do remaining exercises of this chapter. I hope you like the video. If you like it, press on like button, share this video with your friends and classmates, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's all for today. We'll meet again with another video. Till then, bye bye.